Open Capcut on your computer. Go to the Settings section to see the Capcut project storage path. Click the folder icon. Go to the address bar, then block the path address, then copy it. Go to File Explorer and paste the path into the address bar. Then press Enter on the keyboard. Go to where you downloaded the Capcut template file from gurudia.com. Extract the zip file. Open the extracted folder and look for the Files to be uploaded folder. Copy the zip file that is in the folder. Go to the Capcut project storage location and paste the zip file. Extract it by selecting Extract here. Capcut template file folder successfully saved. Now you can delete the zip file. You can see the template is already in Capcut. Click to edit. To make it as a preset, right-click on a compound clip, then select Save Preset. Now the template has become a preset and you can use it on all your Capcut projects. You can rename the preset. Now the preset is ready to be used on other projects. Adjust the aspect ratio according to your project. Add presets to the timeline. The preset has been successfully added to the timeline and becomes a template that you can customize it. Move it up so that the main timeline can be added with a video or image background. Add video or image background to the main timeline. Adjust template size. Double-click to customize the template.